Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. It's really pretty and gold, and I think the colors of the lips and the eyes really complement each other. All the products I used on my face today will be listed down in the description box below if you're interested in checking any of them out. And keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. So I'm starting with my primer, or like primer slash moisturizer. This is the Blurscrean primer by NYX. I use about like that much. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, the Halo Glow Serum Filter, Liquid Filter by e.l.f. And I'm going to put just like a little bit of this on like some parts of my face, like the tops of my cheeks and like top of my nose, top of my chin. And then just kind of blend that in. For my foundation, I'm using this one by LA Girl. It's the Pro Matte Foundation. I have the shade Natural. I think it's a little dark for me, but if it is, I'll just balance it out with some concealer. And I say I think because like I've used this foundation multiple times before, but I don't remember. But I'm going to start with just like a half pump and just spread that all around. For my under eye concealer, I'm using one by BH Cosmetics. It's a little bit gross looking because the lid I had to take apart in order to get the rest of the concealer out, but this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. I have it in the shade number 100. I don't think there's a name, just a number. And I'm also going to blend this up onto my eyelids. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with some setting powder. Of course, I'm using the RCMA one. This is my favorite setting powder. A while ago, there were quite a few years ago, there was a NYX loose powder that I really liked. I think it was like the Mineral Veil one that I really liked. I used that one constantly. But that was like a good number of years ago. And this one is my favorite. I would like to try that one again and see if I'd still like it. Okay, so I'm moving on to my eyes, and I'm going to go with like a gold, like a soft gold type of look. I'm going to use this palette right here. It's by Iconic London. It's the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. We've got all of these really beachy colors. Just a little crease brush like this one. This is by Colourpop, and I'm going in with the shade Warm Sand. And I'm going to start blending this into my crease here. When you see this video go up, I will be going out of town. I'll be like leaving that day to go to the beach. So I think it's like a fitting palette for this because I'll be at the beach. So I might do a little vlog and then that'll come out like the next week. I don't do vlogs. I don't even really film that often when I'm like out and about. But the camera that I have now is easier to take with me. So I think I might do that. Okay, so I'm taking some of this same shade and running it along my lower lash line below my eyes. There's two golds in this palette. These two here, this one right here is more of a green. It has like gold reflect, but it's more green. But these two are golds. There's one's a little bit more of a peachy apricot gold and then just a bright gold. I'm going to use both of them, but the first one I'm going to use is Golden Hour, which is the more apricot one. Blend on top of that other shade, so just blend this one kind of in my crease here underneath my eyes also. So now I'm going to take the other gold shade called Vacay Glow, and I'm going to put this one on my lids. I'm using my finger to just like take some, just spread it onto my main lid portion there. And then I'm going to take this type of brush here. It's just like a flat, kind of like a flat liner brush. Use that to put this gold kind of on the inner portion of my eye, and also I think all over the inner corner. In my inner corner, pulling it also to the lower lash line, but I'm doing it on the front half and not taking it like from the back. I'm like just fading it out towards the back. And I'm taking a little bit of this Vacay Glow. It's quite gold, so I don't want to do nothing crazy, but I'm taking a little bit of this and just doing it lightly as my brow bone highlight up here. I'm gonna go ahead and add on my highlight. This is by Wet n Wild. It's the Megaglo Loose Highlighting Powder. I have the shade I'm So Lit. Glowy, shiny. It's a really, really pretty highlighter. So I also filled in my eyebrows, and now I'm taking this NYX waterproof, I was gonna say liquid, it's not liquid, it's a pencil. It's a pencil liner, waterproof, just a black pencil liner. And I'm going to just tight line all the way around my eyes. So I got my liner all the way around. I also took a liquid liner and I put a little thin line of that liquid liner right along my like lash line on the top, just to help my false lashes blend in better. And now I'm going to add some setting spray. This is by Lottie London. It's the Matte AF, or the Stay Matte AF one. And I really like this one a lot. I've been using it a lot. since I bought it, and I think it's really good. I think it's really good setting spray. I'm adding some mascara before lashes. This is by Milani. It's the highly rated lash extensions mascara. So for my lipstick, I'm using 2 products. First, I'm going to go with a lip liner. This is by Colourpop. It's their lippy pencil. The shade is Bossy. I've not used this yet, but it seems to be a form of pink, a little bit on the like darker side. Then over top of that, I'm going to go in with a lip stain. This is by Milani. It's the Color Fetish Hydrating Lip Stain. Smells very good. It's quite red. I really like it. The shade is called If That's Fire. And the style of lashes that I'm wearing that I'm going to put on are by Kiss. The style is Freckles. They're my current favorite ones. So I lined my lips. I filled them in like halfway with the liner so that the stain will just blend better into it. And now I'm going to go over top of it with the lip stain. Okay, so we got the lip stain all on. I really like these colors together, the gold and like the kind of like cherry pinky color. I think they really complement each other. So now when it comes to blush, sometimes I struggle a little bit making sure that my blush does not clash. I can't even speak today. Making sure my blush does not clash with the rest of my makeup. I think I'm going to use this one from this Violet Voss Whispering Rose face palette. I really like this palette a lot. It's kind of like my go-to for blush, and I usually like to do these first few shades, but I'm going to use this one here in the back very lightly. I think it has similar tones to the lipstick, but I wanted to put on very lightly, and it also has some really cool like gold glitter in it, so I think that'll match the eyes really good. Okay, I think that's a really pretty tone. I've used this one once before, this last shade, but I think I put it on too heavy-handed, so it just didn't look quite right, but I really like it, like putting it on just a little bit lighter. A little bit on the nose, of course. Okay, and here's the finished makeup look. And that's the finished look. I'm gonna show you my outfit really quickly. I have this dress that I'm wearing. I got it from ModCloth. The brand is called Timeless London. I love this dress so much. It's so pretty and just like summery. I'm wearing my red pumps I got from ModCloth. The brand of these is Chase and Chloe. I love them a lot. They're very comfortable, so I've been wearing them a lot lately recently. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more content from me, I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!